Alright, I'm gonna do a shark fin antenna for my 17 Pathfinder. It has this, don't know why it has that, so I'm gonna use some cleaners to wipe around. It's a little dirty. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that off, and I'm going to take off the antenna. Slowly take it off, and it's going to expose this. It's a very big piece. I don't know why this one has it. Infinity has the shark fin, and we have this stupid what is it, Series XM antenna. So I'm going to put a shark fin on it and then put the adapter. All right, I'll be right back. All right, what I did is bought shark fin with big, this is the big housing. It's big enough to cover. It will go right over this. It's a perfect fit. I saw another video says that I should do a cutout of this, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Put an outlining and then cut it from the inside, cut all around. Paste it on. Let's see how it fits. And I don't know how this, do you even need it? You might not even need it. But it doesn't, I don't know which is straight. So maybe you might need it. Let's see how we're going to do this. It comes with this little coil, and it connects to right over here. They do give you screws for it. Let's see which one fits. I think it is the shorter one. Awesome. For this purpose, I would definitely put the nut in first. The reason is this one doesn't go over it, so then you can screw it. Okay. And then now you can tighten it using the nut that came with it. Right, let's see how this thing fits right in, and then pretty much all you have to do is do it with the microfiber. I didn't do it with the microfiber because it causes a lot of dust. And then it should, all I have to do is take off the tape. The tape comes off. The screw in it. This might be an issue. I'm challenging the plane. Because the pandemic's over, a lot more people are flying. People are traveling. This will help if I know how to take off the tape. because today is 40 something degrees in the morning and I'm doing it. It's a bad idea to do it this cold, I guess. There we go. Rip it off. Make sure to get it clean. I still don't know why he did it. That part of it, but we'll see. Push down on it. This set to push it down for long enough of time. I guess I'm gonna give it a 30-second hold down just to be safe. I might say I love already. I hate seeing that little antenna sticking out. Makes no sense whatsoever. Why is even a thing? I'll let you see how it looks. Alright. The result, finish and touch. What do you think? Better than before? The ugly antenna sticking out.